This video compares the OnePlus 15R and the OnePlus 15, addressing the 25,000 rupee price difference between these two sibling phones. The OnePlus 15R costs 47,998 rupees with a 95% spec score, while the OnePlus 15 is 72,999 rupees with a 98% score. We'll examine if a 3% spec increase justifies a 52% price hike. The OnePlus 15 with its Snapdragon 8 Elite boasts superior raw horsepower compared to the 15R's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. A reviewer notes the 15's stellar performance, especially for gaming. The 15R has a slightly larger 6.83-inch AMOLED display at 1800 nits, protected by Glass 7.1. The OnePlus 15 offers much higher brightness at 3600 nits on its 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with Glass Victus 2. The OnePlus 15 camera system is a deal-breaker for photographers, including a 3.5x optical zoom periscope lens, which the 15R lacks. The 15R is better suited for casual snapshots. Interestingly, the cheaper 15R, with its 7,400 mAh battery, provides over an hour more screen-on time than the 15's 7,300 mAh battery. Both use silicon-carbon battery technology. The OnePlus 15 charges much faster, reaching 100% in 30 minutes with 120W Super VOOC compared to 49 minutes for the 15R. The 15 also supports 50W wireless charging, while the 15R does not. The OnePlus 15 offers several premium intangibles: a crystal shield glass/fiber back, IP69K ruggedized protection, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 6.0, and USB 3.2 Gen for transfer. The OnePlus 15R is ideal for the rational gamer who prioritizes display size over brightness and desires maximum battery endurance. They find the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 sufficient and appreciate the 25,000 rupee saving. The OnePlus 15 is for the no-compromise creator, demanding the 3.5x periscope zoom and 3,600 nits for outdoor shooting. It is worth the upgrade only if you value its unique features, especially the ability to zoom.